Out here working on the 240 again. Also doing a little garage cleanup. Really turned into a mess in here. But picked up a Driveshaft Shop one-piece drive shaft. Alright, so when I got this car, this is the drive shaft that was in it. And this end never fit into the trans on that guy. There wasn't a trans in the car, and the input side there was just kind of laying on the ground. So I'm guessing a little bit of excess rust or something must have caused it to not fit. However, found a super good deal on a Driveshaft Shop S14 drive shaft locally on Marketplace. So I picked that up the other day, and we're gonna get it put in the car. Hope everything fits well. Alright, here we go. We got the Driveshaft Shop drive shaft in the car. Installment's super easy. It slipped right in there how it's supposed to, and it's really nice. One more thing checked off the list. Yeah. Yo. Well, no more rain, so let's put some work in on the old 240 here. Gonna try and intake manifold put together and get it in the car. Let's see if we can get some work done. Alright, here we go. We got the intake manifold ready to go. Have a new gasket between the upper and lower plenum on it. Have a new gasket over here. Have some of the coolant lines figured out that go on the inside of it, and let's plop that thing in there. Alright, that was interesting to get in there, but we're able to make it work. Got the intake manifold on. I have the fuel rail injectors and everything else sitting over here in the garage. See if we can get those popped in real quick. But now that the S14 intake manifold is on, it has all the right harness plugs to plug into the S14 harness, which will then plug into the car. So the idea for this is to make it as simple, straightforward, reliable as possible. So yeah, gotta swap out the Dizzy to the S14 version, hook up all my power steering stuff and throttle body, but I feel like this thing is kind of getting to the home stretch after getting that guy on there.